I have to say, I've gained a bit of a reputation in the 3D printing community. My torture test models are intentionally difficult to 3D print, really pushing the machines to their limit to create them. But what about you, dear 3D printing enthusiast? Do you feel bad causing such suffering to your machine? Personally, no, but these files have not only challenged the machines attempting to create them, but also the users, as Joe of 3D Maker Noob put it.
And I've come to the conclusion that Angus does not do torture tests for printers, he does stress tests for users of 3D printers.
It was at that moment I knew what I should do. But do I dare do it? How's it going, guys? Angus here from Maker's Muse, and this is my puzzle cube, a model split into 4 pieces and printed separately. The print itself is not overly challenging, but then it's up to you to figure out how it goes back together. I live streamed my design process for creating these sort of designs over on Maker's Muse Live if you're interested. Almost any geometry can be used with very careful tweaks for printability, but the resulting parts are so visually confusing that I in fact struggled to assemble the puzzle that I designed myself. I've been testing it on several people and it looks deceptively easy, but unless you're a puzzle genius, it's really not. Further, there's a very little chance of injuring yourself if you try to force this puzzle together due to the sharp corners just because of how it's designed. They've been designed to have as few as possible, but please take into consideration your 3D printer's tolerance and print the file accordingly. There's been enough blood spilt from people trying to print my torture tests, so I don't want it spilt from trying to assemble this cube. If you have no idea what your printers can achieve in terms of tolerance, then you can watch this video here, where you can print my tolerance test and you can figure out what your machine's capable of. Okay, so brief interlude. I recorded this video 2 weeks ago before I went away for a little while, and in that time, Devin from Make Anything released a video about his awesome puzzle designs, and he's done something quite similar to what I came up with. It's a little bit different, and he's come up with it. It's totally fine. Go check out Devin's video. It's amazing, but this sort of thing happens sometimes. But still, anyway, now back to the program. So, if you'd like to test your patience, you can grab the file here on Gumroad. It is free to download, but you can add a donation if you like towards the channel. It is always appreciated. And as I mentioned, be sure to keep your 3D printer's tolerances in mind. I have 2 versions, one with a 0.2mm clearance and one with a 0.3mm clearance. And you might want to use just a little bit of sandpaper on any rough edges to ensure the puzzle can actually go together. Either way, I'd love to see your results, so please do share them with me at Maker's Muse on Twitter. And remember guys, this is our punishment for making our beloved 3D printers create countless objects for us tirelessly, day in and day out. Oh, and I'm also not going to show you how it goes together. That's for you to figure out. Thanks for watching.
It is the latter half of the 20th century, and man has sent rockets into deep space. He has placed satellites into orbit.